powered from your office. We wish to be very proud. I think yesterday when we had a conversation with you, you were very happy and grateful for this opportunity. And I think we agreed together that there are so many opportunities that you can go out there and explore. Like now, I think we are entering around the campaign time, and you're going to find many aspirants wanting to market themselves, even companies, they want to market their products. So you can go out there, use your skills, and be able to excel. And just like the county secretary said, sometimes when we have tasks in our department and probably we need you to come around and do some work there, I think we are going to create what we call it. We are going to create a community of practice whereby we are together in one group. If you find an opportunity, you share in the group. If you see a company that wants some internship, digital skills, then you share with the group so that you can together grow. So congratulations, I'm very proud of you for this occasion. Your Excellency, also I would like to appreciate the band that came from Kisii University. Fred and your team, we are very grateful because you've made this look very colorful. And yeah, those are my comments. But I could like to also mention that when we were thinking around this, we, together with Dr. Mercy, she helped me come up with a concept note, and I'm sure she has something to say.
Your Excellency and the whole protocol observed, our graduates of first cohort, good afternoon. I want to appreciate the graduates for making it, because we had 32 and today some of them didn't make it here because it's not easy. Masomo si rahisi. Your Excellency, thank you so much for having a vision for the youth, because in your pillars there is one for